What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kobus-The realist OG, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to be brief and straight to the point. Okay, this is the December price, but we will do this some other time. I don't have enough time today. I just want to talk about the current price action. Okay, so this is Notion. For those of you who want a journaling platform, I recommend Notion. This is Notion. Okay, so I'm just gonna get straight to the point. Okay, so this is GBPUSD on a daily time frame. Okay, and then I kept it simple this time around. You can just see the setup here. It says, okay, look at this first. Okay, I'm just gonna describe it first now. We have an order block here. We have an order block, the red candle. I don't have a mouse on this because I'm recording with my tablet, but we have an order block, the red candle below the gap. Okay, we have the order block with a gap above. Okay, market came into that gap, okay, on Tuesday. Okay, and then it swept Friday low, Monday low, I mean it swept Monday low. At the same time, GBPUSD, EURUSD, it went below. It went below to tap that order block, but GBPUSD, it's very strong, so it did not go there. Okay, so the following day, which was yesterday, Wednesday. Okay, yesterday we created a CSD, I mean, yeah, on 1 hour, and then we also created candle range theory here. Okay, what am I mean by CRT? I want to see, check, we traded into discount. The discount is that gap. Okay, and after that we rejected and we closed inside Tuesday range. That is my CRT. Hence I said market traded into daily FVG, fair value gap with order block below. We had a daily CRT, and then we had a change in state of delivery on 1 hour. We're keeping things simple from now. Setup 1 day FVG. Okay, we traded into it. We had a CRT. What do I mean by CRT? So we had Wednesday closing, sweeping Tuesday low and rejecting afterwards and closing inside it. Okay, that's a rejection candle. I want to see that on my point of interest or PY. Okay, and then after that I would like to see a CSD, change in state of delivery on a 1 hour when I'm aligning time frames, because in this case I'm using daily POI. I'm using daily fair value gap, my point of interest, so I'm using that fair value gap to frame a trade from it. Okay, we see changing state of delivery inside a POI after sweeping the liquidity. Okay, so entry point is at the open of this that red candle, which is my very bullish order block now. Okay, we traded above it. So the moment we traded above it and closed above it, we had a CSD, change in state of delivery. So we are switching from being bearish to being bullish. Okay, so I'm just going to upload a give me a minute. I'm just gonna upload what the market is currently doing. Okay, and we are just going to watch what price does from there. Okay, I think this is a beautiful price action according to me, to the way I'm viewing price now. Okay, so so this is how I'm actually reading price, and I've actually came to a realization that I don't have to keep things complicated. I'm going to keep things simple. And someone once said, in order for you to master trading, you have to keep things simple. Stop overcomplicating things. Just keep things simple. And it's now that that thing makes sense to me. Okay, I don't need a lot of stuff nowadays. I just want simple stuff. A gap or an order block, a CRT, CSD on a lower time frame. If you're using a daily, I want to see a CSD on an hourly chart. If you're using weekly, I want to see a CSD on a 4-hour or hourly. Yes, so that's how we'll be rolling from now on. Okay, wanna see this model happening, this model, whether it's a buy or it's a sell, you want to see this type of model happening, and then have a CRT, and then look for CSD on a smaller time frame. Okay, and I realized also the CRT plus CSD likes to form after sweeping high time frame liquidity. Let's say we sweep daily highs, maybe relative equal highs, and then we form a CRT after just sweeping those highs. Okay, I'm going to go to a lower time frame to look for a CSD, and then that's how it is. That's how we move. Okay, let me just upload this file now to show you where the market is currently. Okay, the trade it's actually moving to where we anticipated it to. So what is our liquidity target in a CRT? Okay, we're using the same candle. You see the line above here, which I highlighted, the top blue line. It's our, because we are dealing with one candle. Okay, we swept the, I'm talking about the red candle now. I don't have a pointer, so it's actually a problem. We swept that big red candle's low, and then we rejected and closed inside it. So my anticipation is we want to see price going to attack the buy side of this very same candle. So that's my liquidity target. Okay, so I just uploaded the update. Okay, so let's interpret what price did when we were breaking, or when we were when we were breaking that swing high here, when we were forming the CSD. At the same time, we created a gap. We see that market manipulated into that gap. Okay, that's why we put the stop losses at the low of our order block. Okay, so we had changed instead of delivery. and then we came and retested the gap. At the same time, we retested the liquidity, which we swept, denoted by the red line. Okay, and then the market spent a lot of time consolidating. It came and retested that CSD again. If you check that CSD, it's in confluence with what? With our upper margin of the daily gap. Okay, the upper margin of the daily gap, we just went to it, tested it, and then we took off. We had another CSD here. If you can check, change in state of delivery, okay, or break of structure. Okay, so we are having another break of structure here with a gap. We want to monitor how price react inside that gap. Okay, if we form a CRT on an hourly chart, that's what I want to see. Okay, we may enter it and reject immediately, but I believe that that gap is going to hold price up. Okay, we just swept the liquidity, we consolidated for like 2 to 3 hours. Market seems to be going into that gap. Okay, so we will see how the market behaves inside that gap. If the market really takes off, reject from that position, we know that we are still solid with our analysis. I'm signing out. Peace and love.